This is how you make a cornhole set. You will need four 4x2x12s, one 4 foot by 4 foot piece of plywood, a pack of screws, four bolts, and eight nuts. I first measured the plywood to the middle and cut it in half. Then I measured two 4 foot sections of the 2x and screwed them to the sides of the plywood. I then measured the distance from side to side for the top and bottom and cut them out and screwed them in. Then measure the size for each leg, cut them out, then trace and cut out a circle on one end and a slanted side to the other end. Then sand each rounded end. Then drill the holes in the legs and sides so that they could be attached, and connect them with a bolt and two nuts and tighten them together to secure them. Then measure over 12 inches and down 9 inches and drill a 6-inch diameter hole. Then you repeat those steps for the second board, and after that, you are done.